kids, mom and dad, how are you today? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you always fine, healthy and happy with your family at your home. We meet again with Miss Ea in this video YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to work with Montessori wet pouring number 1 from one jug to another jug. And this is all the material for today. Let's say Basmalah together. Bismillahirrohmanirrohim. Are you ready, kids? Let's go! Okay, children, this is the material for today. This is mat, this is tray, this is jug contained with color water, and this is another jug. Don't forget, this is napkin. Okay, children, watch me first and then you will have your turn. Okay, parents and children, that's all. This is for the material today, Montessori wet pouring number 1 from one jug to another jug with all this material. Very simple and very easy. You can do it this material at your home. Thank you so much for watching this video YouTube channel with Miss Ea. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye children. See you next time.